Shooting this video because it always brings me back to what I teach in my training, what I teach at seminars, and what I tell every single person that's out there asking my advice or help with a leak detection. 95% of all those leaks are in the 3-foot radius of the shell of the pool or spa or water feature that you're working on. It's so important to know that, and that's why we built and designed our equipment the way we did. The microphones that go in the pool to listen static, the pipe mics that slide into pipes, the side mic that listens to the wall where you're standing, and the pool scope, which is drop and drag over the floor, structural cracks, or again, a general purpose microphone. Or it's important to know that going forward when you're pressure testing and you're listening with a deck plate, you're going to get those leaks at spa venturis. You're going to get those leaks right under skimmers at the first 90, second 90, or where it stubs up. Those who do leak detections know this. Those that want to get into leak detections need to understand this. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.